Hey guys, how's it going? So, this is actually concerning. The people who work on cars and they are this inept. Customer came in, got a vibration while driving. This is a quick video. Vibration while driving. So I take it up the road and something felt a little funky. Couldn't quite put my finger on it. So I figure, let me just give this thing a full look over. So I get to the right front wheel, and I happen to notice something. See if you can pick up on what it is. Hold on a second. Yep, you're seeing that correctly. The lug nuts are on backwards. I've seen the memes, and I honestly thought it was a joke. Apparently there are people that stupid out there. That's disturbing. When you go places because of the price, be mindful of what you're getting. Let me put these lug nuts on the right way. All right, so lugs are on, they're torqued, on correctly I should say. Like I said, there's a difference between good and cheap. Cheap ain't good, normally. So, all right, be safe out there. Just be mindful of what you're getting. All right guys, hopefully you got something out of it. Quick short video. Have a great day, keep wrenching.